Checking in from Roundabout. It is Saturday, March 3rd, and we are...
How come we're only running one motor?
Because we only need one motor.
Okay. Hey Mom, look at me!
There's no wind, so we're not sailing.
Hello?
But it's so nice because we can all be out enjoying the trampoline. There is Aegina. We are heading there because our upholstery guy is going to measure for the helm enclosure, which Jared is very stoked about.
Yeah.
So I wanted to show you guys something. This port was empty. There was our boat and another catamaran and one powerboat. And now it is so full and more boats keep squeezing in. It's ridiculous. We are crammed in between all these boats now. And I think this guy is leaving. Oh, there goes our fender. There we go. So just when we thought it could not get any more packed, this boat comes in, drops his anchor over our anchor, and squeezes himself in between our boat and this yacht. Almost hits our boat. I don't know what he's done with our anchor. I'm hoping he didn't undo it. And...
Hey! Not cool.
Yeah, not cool. So that's crazy. But this is a taste of what it's gonna be like this summer. Every morning we wake up to these beautiful bells from the churches. And there's 2 churches close by us and they each have their own song. So I just wanted to show you what it's like to wake up here in Greece in the morning. Have a great day, everyone. Behind marching bands to celebrate their Independence Day.
Zach, what are we looking at?
Castle.
Remnants of an old castle, huh?
There's a pigeon.
Like a real life. Pretty cool. Here we'll walk around, catch up with Mom on the other side. Oh, kitty cat.
The Markellos Tower. Built in 1802 by Spyros Markellos, a member of parliament and a military commander during the Greek Revolution of 1821. Augmenting a defensive structure built at the end of the 17th century by Maraziani. In 1826 to 27, it housed
Here's your drivers.
the military offices named the capital of modern Greece, Hellas, under resident Ioannis Kapodistros. It housed various cabinet offices, including that of the police chief. Many important statesmen and military leaders resided at the tower. Later, the Greek treasury was housed at the tower. Look at how they sketch that. Very cool.
What the? Dad, is this cord from up there to down there? I don't even get what that is.
Here we are at, where are we at? Apollo's temple?
Temple of Apollo. The island of Aegina.
Enjoying all the wonderful wildflowers that are out here. Oh, and bees.
Mom, remember at Pacific Grove?
Right through the trees. The temple. The top of the hill, and we can see Apollo's temple. Well, one spire, I think it's called, left. We got fortifications, walls built from 4,000 years ago, 1650 to 2000 BC. And these cool blocks. This is like Minecraft 2,000 years ago, 3,000 years ago.
Punch.
Building blocks, huh?
Punch.
Pixelated art here.
No, it's not really pixelated.
Big pixels.
Punch.
Okay, man.
Oh no, wait,
Okay.
attack players as well. Punch.
So what would be in the corners?
Or where they keep their crazy chicken.
Or where they keep their animals, huh?
No, it's where they keep the mad chicken. Like in Minecraft, there's always a
Mad
mad
chicken.
Yeah, in Minecraft, there's harboring chickens.
That's where we
The
keep
chicken
Matthew.
just kept jumping
We
up
were
and down.
3,000 years ago.
Matthew.